Hey guys, and welcome back. This is Safe, and today I'm gonna walk you through how you can make money with Linkvertise without any effort. So let's get started. Our aim in this tutorial is that we are going to extract a video from TikTok. Then we will use this video to attract people to click on a specific link that we will create on Linkvertise, and for each click we will actually get real money. So let's see how we can do this. First of all, I will head to TikTok where I have written animals cute on my own search bar because my aim in this tutorial is to create a video about animals. So I will now search on these videos and I will choose one of these viral videos. I will choose the one which has the highest number of views. So here you can see that this video actually has 233 million views, which is insane. So I will use this video, I will click on it, and I will copy its link. Then I will go to Snaptic where I can download this video. Let's just go a step back. Here it's its name. And I will just paste, download, and I will click on download to get my own video. Then I will wait for a couple of seconds. Then I will go to my own YouTube channel where I will click on create to upload this video that I have just downloaded. Now it has been uploaded successfully. I will just write the title as cuteness overload. And then I will need to add a description. In this description, I will credit this channel because it's not wise to just steal content for two reasons. First one is it's not ethical, and the second one is that you may get banned from YouTube if actually you get caught. And now I will copy this name and I will write credits to the channel's name. Then I will just go and finalize my video. And before publishing it, I will just go and create my own link. So let's say I just placed a link on the first comment in this video. Who will click on it? I think no one, because it's not attractive. Why would I click on a specific link without actually getting any benefit from it? That's what you are going to try to do. We will follow the strategy that most people like free gifts. So we will just create a free gift so that it will attract people to click on this link, and we will just publish it on our first comment. So let's go to this website called Free PLR Downloads. This website is actually amazing because it offers dozens of ebooks that are actually for free. So here you will search for an ebook which is actually relevant to the video that you are posting. Since I'm posting a video about animals, I will just go and choose this dog, or let's search more, this pet title, and I will choose one of these books. I will choose this training your dog ebook, and I will download it. Let's just scroll down, and here is the download button. I will click on it, and here my download has been initiated. And the next step now is, after finishing its download, I will just go and upload it on my own drive so that I can just make a small edit on it using Linkvertise, and we will be all ready to go. And now it has completed its download. I will just click on new and choose file upload. Then I will choose this ebook that I have just downloaded here. And now it's currently uploading. And here it is. Now I will make sure that this book is actually accessible to anyone. It's not private or restricted. So I will go here and click on share, then copy link. And here I will go to manage access, and I'm gonna just make this anyone with the link, and I'm gonna copy the link again and press on done. Then I'm gonna go to my own Linkvertise. This is the most important step now. So I'm gonna go up and click on create link. Let's just remove this link. Let's go back and let's press on create link and give it a couple of seconds to initiate. Then I'm gonna go and paste my own link. I think there is a problem. Let's just give me a second. Yes, they refused my link actually because it's not my Drive link. I don't know why it was not copied. So I will just delete this and I will go back to my Drive and I will go and copy the link that I have made public. Share, copy link. Then I will go back here to Linkvertise and I will paste it. Now it's accepted. I will go next. I will add like a title. So I will just write train your dog. Then I'm gonna click on this check mark. Then I will just mention some details about this title. This link, this is an ebook that will teach you how to train your dog. Perfect. And here I will upload a picture of a dog as a poster. I will just drag it here and perfect. Let's press OK. And then I will go to the link description and I will write another description. This is a free gift for where you will free gift of a free ebook that will teach you how to professionally train your dog. It's completely free for the first 100 clicks. And now I will check on here and I will add any question like, what can I discover? Blah, blah, blah. And then I will click on next. Then I will choose non-skippable ads and my link will be ready in seconds. So I will go to my own YouTube. I will publish my video. Still generating and still publishing. Now it has been published. So I will now go to view this video on YouTube. And I will copy the link once it's generated.
Let us see if the squishy's here. Squishy!
Let's just mute this video. And here is my link, so I will copy it. And I will go back to my video. And I will go to the comment section and I will write, claim your free gift here. And I will just, I think this is not, yeah, this is the right link. So I'm gonna go and click on comment, and here your comment will be ready, and any clicks on this link will actually get you real money. And this is how easy you can make money with Linkvertise. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you liked this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.